Hello friends, in today's video lecture we are going to learn about a very short and small question is about the soil as major abiotic factor. So you know that there are main four major abiotic factors. First one is temperature, second one is about the sunlight, third one is about water, and fourth one is about the soil. And because of this all four abiotic factors, so many changes are found in a particular biomes, and because of these all factors it will directly affect on the particular organisms found in different type of biomes. So in this question we will learn about the soil. Remember, it is very short question and can be asked for the only 2 marks. So see the title is soil as major abiotic factor. First point, we can say that the nature and properties of soil is different in different places. See, two words are used. First one is what? First one is nature, and second one is what? Second one is properties. Okay, so nature and properties of soil is different in different places. It means the soil of our India and the soil of California both having different type of nature and different type of properties, because the location of both soil are changed. The soil of our Junagadh district and soil of Ahmedabad district having also different type of significances, okay, according to nature and properties. The soil of desert and the soil of grassland both are also different, both are not same. So you will remember that if place will be changed, then nature and properties of soil will be changed. See, point number 2, it is dependent. It means what? It means property as well as characters, okay, means nature, properties and characters of soil is dependent upon main 5 things. We have main 5 names. First one is climate, means outer surrounding environment. Second one is weathering process. See, weathering is one type of process which occur during the formation of soil. Third one is soil transportation, means from one place to another place soil will be sometime transport because of the soil erosion also. Fourth one is sedimentation. Sedimentation is also one type of process which will be occurred during the process of soil formation. And fifth one is about the development of some essential components. So we can say that the properties as well as the characters and the nature of soil is dependent upon climate, weathering process, soil transport, sedimentation and development. So these 5 are the one-liner question. You will remember this all. Point number 3, if we talk about the characteristic of the soil, means the character of particular soil, like soil composition, okay, soil composition, then grain size, means the size of particles found in the soil. Then we can say that percolation, then water holding capacity, okay, it is one type of for finding water holding capacity, different type of experiments are there. You will do some experiment in the lab of biology. So you will remember this all characters like the soil composition, grain size, then percolation as well as water holding capacity of the soil. Now see, point number 4, some parameters are there of soil like pH, then mineral composition, because you know that the some soil having the so many minerals while other having only minimum type of minerals, and the topography. So pH, minerals, composition and topography, these 3 are the parameter of the soil. So in first page we can say that total 4 points are there. Again we are going to revise this all 4 points. First one is what? First one is the nature and properties of what? The nature and properties of soil will be different in different type of places, means if place will be changed, if location will be changed, then the nature and properties of soil will be also changed. Means soil is not uniform, soil is not similar in the all type of locations. Some factors are there: climate, weathering process, soil transport, sedimentation and development. Some characters are there, okay, and some parameters like pH, mineral composition and topography are there. So first page is completed. Now if we talk about the second and last page of this question, see point number 5, we can say that from these all parameters vegetation is determined of any area. Okay, so now we have the new word which is known as vegetation. Vegetation means what? We can say that which type of land will be there, which type of soil will be there. See, if soil is good, then maximum plants will be grown in this particular area. See, if maximum plants will be there, then maximum productivity will be there, because you know that the plants are able to do the process of photosynthesis in the presence of sunlight. If maximum plants are there, it means if maximum producers are there, then you know that the plants means producers are one type of food for the consumers, like the herbivores. So if maximum plants are found in a particular region, then maximum herbivorous animals will go there and eat their food. Herbivorous means you can say that the animals which are dependent upon what? Upon leaves and grass, means plants, are known as the herbivorous type of animals. So we can say that point number 5 again, from parameters vegetation is determined of any area, and after so many years animal can be formed according to the soil vegetation. So for example, if we talk about the desert, so the soil of desert will be different, so different type of plants and different type of animals will be found in desert. If we talk about the soil of the dry deciduous type of forest, then this particular region having different type of soil, so according to this type of soil different type of animals and different type of plants will be formed. If we talk about the soil of seashore, okay, soil of seashore means one type of sand, so according to this particular composition different type of plants and different type of organisms as well as aquatic animals will be formed. Okay, point number 7, see, in aquatic environment the sediment characteristic often determine the type of benthic animals. It means according to what? According to or from the characteristic of sedimentation we are able to determine the type of benthic animal. You know benthic animals, the animals which are living inside the water nearer to the surface of the bottom surface. Benthic means we can say that the animals which are living in the bottom region, okay, that can thrive there. So we can know about the diversity of benthic animal from their sediment characteristic. Okay, so this question is completed here, and now we have the only one and short paragraph about the soil. Okay, we will learn this or we will read this. You will underline the all points. Okay, see, first point, the nature and properties of soil is different places vary. It means in different places, in different locations, in different region, the nature and properties of soil will be also different. It is dependent on underlying climate, the weathering process, whether soil is transported or sedimentary, and how soil development occurred. Okay, so these all are the factors. Count total 5 factors are there. First one is climate, second one is weathering process, third one is soil transport, fourth one is sedimentation, and fifth one is soil development. Now see next one, various characteristics of the soil such as underlying soil composition, then grain size and aggregation determine the percolation and water holding capacity of the soil. See, water holding capacity is the very important role. Okay, so it is one type of experiment to find the water holding capacity of different type of soil collected from the different type of region. You will do this practical in your biology lab, but water holding capacity is a major parameter or the major characteristic of the soil. This characteristics along the parameters like underlying pH, then mineral compositions and topography determine to a large extent the vegetation in any area. This is turn dictates the type of animals that can be supported, Similar, it means see, according to or the from the vegetation we are able to determine the type of animal. Last point, last sentence, last second line. Similarly, in the aquatic environment, the sediment characteristic often determine the type of benthic animals. Underline, benthic means the underwater animals living nearer the bottom of the sea or bottom of the land or the bottom region. Okay, animals that can thrive there. So we are able to know about this particular benthic type of animals from the sedimentary characteristics. See, some words are there like the weathering process, then sedimentation. Okay, so these all words are connected with the one type of process of soil formation. And remember that soil formation is one type of a time consuming process. Okay, soil will not be formed in a 1 or 2 year, but soil formation is one type of time consuming process, and you will learn in higher standard that soil having different type of texture and different type of composition. Okay, so these all processes are connected with the soil formation. So thus this question is completed. It will be asked in your examination for the 2 marks. Okay, so this video lecture is completed. Thank you very much.